विद्यार्थी मित्रों, मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पेअर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाईनमधले 3 थेरम पाहिलेत आणि चौथा थेरम जो अतिशय महत्त्वाचा असा आहे, जो बोर्ड एक्झामला पुन्हा पुन्हा विचारलेला आहे असा थेरम आज आपल्याला पाहायचा आहे. थेरम आहे ॲक्यूट अँगल बिटवीन पेअर ऑफ लाईन्स ax² + 2hxy + by² = 0. स्टेटमेंट असं आहे पहा थेरमचं. The acute angle theta between the lines represented by ax² + 2hxy + by² = 0 is given by tan theta = modulus of 2 × √h² - ab upon a plus b, where a plus b is not equal to 0. हा थेरम आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे. बऱ्याच वेळेला बोर्ड एक्झामला हा थेरम प्रूव्ह करायला विचारलेला आहे. बघूया त्याचं प्रूव्ह. Let m1 and m2 be slopes of two lines represented by ax² + 2hxy + by² = 0. If m1 and m2 are slopes of these two lines, then its auxiliary equation is bm² + 2hm + a = 0. We know that m1 + m2 = -2h upon b and m1 × m2 = a upon b. Also तुम्हाला माहिती आहे a - b bracket square = a square plus a plus b bracket square minus 4ab असं आपण घेतो. त्याचप्रमाणे इथे घेतलेलं आहे m1 - m2 bracket square = m1 + m2 bracket square minus 4m1 m2. Substitute these values in this equation, that is -2h upon b bracket square minus 4 × a upon b. Simplify this. m1 - m2 bracket square = 4h² minus 4ab upon b square. Taking square root both sides, we get modulus of m1 - m2 = modulus of 2 × √h² - ab upon b. This is the value of m1 minus m2. Taking square root, we get plus or minus 2 values, and therefore here we have to take the modulus value. Modulus means plus or minus. This modulus is always important. If theta be the angle between slopes of the two lines m1 and m2, therefore tan theta = modulus of m1 - m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Substitute these values. Here m1 - m2 is 2 × √h² - ab upon b, and m1 × m2 is a upon b, and simplify this. Cross multiplication, b plus a upon b, same denominator gets cancelled. We get tan theta = modulus of 2 × √h² - ab upon a plus b. If denominator is 0, then this value is not exist. Therefore, we write this as a plus b is not equal to 0. There are two conditions: condition of perpendicular lines and condition of parallel or coincident lines. First, we have to see the condition of perpendicular lines. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, therefore we know that m1 × m2 = -1. But m1 × m2 is a upon b is equal to -1. Therefore a = -b. This implies that a plus b = 0. This is the condition of perpendicular lines. If a plus b = 0, then these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Next, condition of parallel or coincident lines. If two lines are parallel to each other, then we know that their slopes are equal. Therefore m1 = m2. Therefore m1 - m2 = 0. Last, we have to see the value of m1 - m2 is modulus of 2 × √h² - ab upon b = 0. If this value is 0, then b is not equal to 0, 2 is not equal to 0. We get √h² - ab = 0. Therefore h² - ab = 0 is the condition of parallel or coincident lines. Using this theorem, we have to see some examples. Here, first example is find the acute angle between the lines represented by first 3x square minus 4 root xy plus 3y square equal to 0 and second is xy plus y square equal to 0. First example, comparing given equation 3x square minus 4 root 3xy plus 3y square equal to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, and we have to calculate the value of a h b. A equal to 3, h equal to minus 2 root 3, b equal to 3. If theta be the acute angle between the lines 3x square minus 4 root 3xy plus 3y square equal to 0, then we know the formula tan theta equal to modulus of 2 into root h square minus ab upon a plus b. Substitute the values of a, h, b. We get modulus of 2 into root minus 2 root 3 bracket square minus 3 into 3 upon 3 plus 3. Squaring this value, we get 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, 4 into 3 is 12, minus 3 into 3 9 upon 3 plus 3 6. Simplify this, we get 2 into 3 6, that is 12 minus 9 is 3, root 3 upon 3, we get 1 upon root 3. Take positive value as tan theta equal to 1 upon root 3, and this value is of the tan 30 degree, that is tan pi by 6 radian. Therefore theta equal to pi by 6 radian. Therefore acute angle between the given lines is pi by 6 radian. Second, compare करा example a equal to 0. Here x square term is absent, therefore a is equal to 0. 2h equal to coefficient of xy is 1, h equal to 1 half, b equal to 1. Substitute these values, we get and simplify it. Tan theta equal to 1, that is tan pi by 4. Therefore acute angle between the line is pi by 4. Similarly, third example is a square minus 3b square x square plus 8ab xy plus b square minus 3a square y square equal to 0. Same way, compare the equation and find the angle between the line. हे एक्झाम्पल महत्त्वाचं आहे, हे बोर्ड एक्झामला विचारलेलं आहे. इथं मी तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेशन करून दाखवलेलं आहे. a equal to a square minus 3b square, 2h equal to 8ab, that is h equal to 4ab, b equal to b square minus 3a square. Substituting this value, square of this is 16a square b square. Product of these two bracket is in this way, and simplify this, we get tan theta is equal to root 3, that is tan 60 degree, tan pi by 3, therefore theta equal to pi by 3. In this way, there are some examples given to homework. Solve it in your notebook. Thank you.